ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति सप्तदशाभ्यास इति अन्तिम अभ्यास सन्धिप्रकरणपूर्वे। अस्माकं शब्दानि सन्ति अद्य भगवत् इति भगवान्, भवत् आप, तो भवान् भवन्तौ भवन्तः, भवान् वदतु इति आप बोलिए, भवान् वदतु वैसे। श्रीमत् श्रीमान, बुद्धिमत् बुद्धिमान, धनवत् धनवान, बलवत् बलवान, स्नेहः विश्वासः, मृगः मृग एनिमल डियर, बाणः एरो, श्रद्धा फेथ, क्षिपति क्षिप धातु टू थ्रो फेंकना, मुच धातु छोड़ना टू लीव समथिंग। आगे अग्रे आसक्तः युक्तः लग्नः तत्परः इति पर्यायवाची शब्दानि न सन्ति, परन्तु हिंदी भाषायां पर्यायवाची शब्द इति शब्दवत् सन्ति, परन्तु न सन्ति। आसक्तः in English for example would be to be attached to something, yuktah to be established in it, yoga yukto bhavarjuna, Bhagavan says yoga yukto. Lagnaha to be devoted to something or at a certain time, there is an attachment to a place and time, lagnaha. And tatparaha, shraddhavan labate jnanam, tatparam samyatendriya, Bhagavan says in Bhagavan Vacha चतुर्थ अध्याय 4th chapter 39th श्लोक, श्रद्धावान् लभते ज्ञानम तत्परम संयतेन्द्रिय, तत्परम devoted to, following and so on. So even though in Hindi everything is laga hua, it is not all the same synonym words, they have slightly different meanings. Similarly for the next, kushalaha chatura, nipunaha chatura, chaturaha chatura. Chaturaha is intelligent, smart. Nipunaha effectively means master. He has mastered this topic. Maybe nipunaha. For example, okay, it will come.
Arjuna Dhanur Nipunaha, like Dhanurvidya.
Exactly. Sadvidya Dana Nipunaha will be something you say for Guru, but exactly what you say. Bahu Samichinam. Arjunaha Dhanurayam Nipunaha Asti. So he is master of that.
And but I have doubt. Kushala means being happy, right? How it is related to Chatura?
Same doubt?
No, what is the definition you gave for Kushala?
Kushala. So Kushala is a very versatile word. Kushalaha is used in many contexts. In a conversationary context, when you say, how are you? Kathamasi, you can say, aham kushalaha asmi. I am doing well. But you can also say, aham samskrita bhashayam kushalaha asmi. I am good at Sanskrit. This is also kushalaha. And here they have said chatura. So chatura in this context means you are comfortable with a topic. You are doing well in a certain topic. Like how chaturaha means universally intelligent. Chaturaha, saha chaturaha, he is an intelligent person. Saha chatura manushya asti. And this nipunaha is master. Like you said, Arjunaha dhanura vidyam nipunaha asti.
But they also use the word Kushala for Ashirvadam.
comfortable. Be comfortable. Be happy in life. Kushalosi, kushalastu. Have comfort, have a easy life, and so on. Kushalo bhava. So kushalaha is this kind of versatile word, and you have to see the context. But the main meanings are aham kushala asmi. I feel good. I feel comfortable. I am happy here. Santosha, etc. That is kushala. In this context, kushalaha bhashayam kushalaha or vidyam kushalaha. I am good at this. I am good at this language. I am comfortable with this language, with this science. In that way, kushalaha.
And sorry, lagna. What did you say?
Lagnaha. Lagnaha is like a specific space and time. If you are comfortable or if you are attached to that thing, like for example, there will be some shloka for sure. When we see Siddhanta, Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, they must have shlokas in Lagnaha. But like Meena Lagna, like that, he is born in this Lagna. So we are attached, that this birth is attached to that time, that period of time, or it can also be place also. Lagnaha, in that place he is attached. So it is more like a non-physical attachment to space or time. While asaktaha is a mental attachment. Yuktaha would be a more like very spiritual, yoga yuktaha is established in yoga, and this tatparaha could mean a physical attachment. Shraddhava labate jnanam tatparaha sanyatendriyaha. There Bhagavan says tatpara, devoted to, physically also, following. Guroho tatparaha, that is also okay. Bhagavataha tatparaha, to the Guru, to the Bhagavan, etc. Okay, does this answer your question also? Sandhyaji?
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe as you said, kushala word, we can have versatile meaning. But when we say chatura, we only take it as smart.
Yes.
That's why...
This is the thing. Actually, I was telling somebody, this book, with Sanskrit, with Hindi, we are learning Sanskrit. Actually, sometimes it is better to use the Sanskrit to learn the Hindi. Because in Hindi, they again laga hua for 4 Sanskrit shabdas. There is not much way to understand it already. Their motive is for us to just be comfortable with the words. So they're saying ye bhi laga hua hai, wo bhi laga hua hai. But we are studying this for the sake of Vedanta. So we say, okay, asaktaha means this, lagnaha means this. There is a slight difference in the meanings, even though it says laga hua. But yes, like you said, chaturaha is just smart. Sa chaturaha. But kushalaha kasmin vishaye chaturaha. Yoga vishaye chaturaha अथवा विद्या विषये चतुरः कुशलः इति.
Got it.
सूचना भागवत बलवत भगवत के तुल्य व्याकरण. सो भगवत शब्द के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो. आई विल रीड दिस पेज नंबर 65 आई गेस. Page 65. I just read this, but when you have time, of course, always good to go back and read. भगवान श्री भगवान उवाच प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम. श्री भगवान भगवन्तौ भगवन्तः. इट इज अ पुल्लिंग शब्द, मेल शब्द ओनली, भगवत शब्द. भगवान भगवन्तौ भगवन्तः, भगवन्तं भगवन्तौ भगवतः, भगवता भगवद्भ्याम भगवद्भिः, भगवते भगवद्भ्याम भगवद्भ्यः, भगवतः भगवद्भ्याम भगवद्भ्यः, भगवतः भगवतोः भगवताम, भगवती भगवतोः भगवत्सु. हे भगवान, हे भगवन्तौ, हे भगवन्तः. सो यू सी, पंचमी एकवचनम, षष्ठी एकवचनम, द्वितीया बहुवचनम. ऑल 3 आर भगवतः. Context matters.
So here when we chant Bhagavantau Punah, that
it is Ditya.
Is it because of Sutra Bhashya?
Exactly.
Because of that we are using a Dvivachanam.
Exactly. Sutrakara, Bhashyakara. For both. But here we are doing Punaha Namaskara to them. So it is not Prathama Vibhakti.
Yeah.
It is Dvitiya Dvivachanam.
Dvitiya, yeah. It is
Bhagavantau.
Dvitiya. But Dvitiya is Bhagavantam if it is one. But because it is Sutra, and that's why it comes down.
Sutrakara, Bhashyakara, iti dve.
So therefore.
So Bhagavantam. Exactly. So then क्षिप, second point of व्याकरण, क्षिप और मुच के रूप लट में क्षिपति मुंचति हैं. So क्षिपति क्षिपतः क्षिपन्ति, this is like भवति, क्षिपसि क्षिपसः क्षिपथः क्षिपथः, क्षिपामि क्षिपावः क्षिपामः, and same for मुंचति, मुंचति मुंचतः मुंचन्ति, etc. नियम 49, प्रेम, आसक्ति और आदर सूचक शब्दों और धातुओं के साथ सप्तमी होती है. जैसे दे हैव गिवन तस्य मही स्नेहः अस्ति, he has love for me. तस्य, so षष्ठी विभक्ति, that person has, and in me love, so my. तस्य कन्यायां स्नेहः अस्ति, he has स्नेह in कन्या, कन्यायां सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचन स्त्रीलिंग. पिता पुत्रे स्नेहं करोति, पिता has does love in the son. रामः रामायाम आसक्तः अस्ति, Rama is attached to Rama. So while we may translate all these shabdas as attached to, love for, they will all be saptami, because even today in Vedanta Paribhasha this question came. The two different saptamis in Vivarana and Bhamati. Was it Vivarana Bhamati? One was Adhikarana Saptami in Shuktika and Rajata, and in Ghata and Bhutala. Bhutale Ghataha Asti, Athava Shuktikayam Rajataha Asti. So in Bhutale Ghata, it is a place. This is called Adhikarana Saptami. Adhikarana, if you remember, is the Karana. On page number 8, the Karana, second row, the second column, they had given Adhikarana for Saptami Vibhakti. Page number 8. Adhikarana means location. So Saptami Vibhakti is used in any location as a locative. And it can also be something like this. This is called Vishaya Saptami. Vishaya Saptami is Saptami in a specific thing. Like how Pita Putre Snehaha. Pita has love in this person, Vishaya. Vishaya Saptami. Adhikarana Saptami will correspond to a location, physical, mental, whatever, some kind of adhikarana. So the two saptamis are this. Mama Gurau Adra Asti. I have respect in the Guru. 50 नियम. संलग्न और चतुरार्थ वाले शब्दों के साथ सप्तमी होती है. जैसे सह पठने लग्नः. He is, he is sat. He is what can be good translation? He is stuck in studying. He is present in studying. He is active in studying. Whatever. Lagnaha. Udhar laga hua hai. He is doing that. Saha patane lagnaha. Saha patane yuktaha. Yuktaha, established. Patane yuktaha is like vidya yukta, yoga yuktaha. तत्परहा आसक्तः वा. So here what they want to say is पढ़ाई में लगा हुआ है. He is doing it in that thing. So this will be also saptami only. He is doing this in that. He is lagna, yukta, etc. in that thing. राम विद्या में निपुण है. रामः विद्यायां कुशलः, निपुणः, चतुरः, पटुः, दक्षः. All these are here given as paryayavachi shabdas. They have slight differences, but in this shabda, in this sentence, they are as good as synonyms. Paryayavachi. फेंकना 51. फेंकना अर्थ की धातुओं के साथ तथा विश्वास और श्रद्धा अर्थ वाली धातुओं और शब्दों के साथ सप्तमी होती है. जैसे मृगे बाणम क्षिपति. He is throwing arrow on the animal. So on, you may translate it as on. This is also saptami. Then उसका धर्म पर विश्वास है. तस्य धर्मे विश्वासः अस्ति. So he has trust, faith in that dharma, in Shraddha, in this dharma, in this job, in this religion, in this belief system. There is some kind of Shraddha there. So this will be also saptami. So when we said, if you remember in page number 8, we were talking about the meanings of each vibhakti. In Hindi they had given me, isme, usme, mujme, like that. This is all saptami. So in English we translated it as in, but we can also use at on, etc. These will all also be Saptami. So this Sadharme Vishwasiti, he has dharma, faith on or on that person, in that person. So both these will be Saptami only. Abhyasa Saptadasha, page 35. So we are going to do something different today. I am going to ask for English or Hindi translations of the Sanskrit words, so Sanskrit sentences. And from Monday, we will try to do the same thing again. And we can quickly go through the Sanskrit Banavo, it's not so difficult. Further, the reason for this is we are more interested in understanding what Sanskrit says. We are not as interested in starting to speak in Sanskrit with all people. That is later, if we are interested in that. But for now, we have to learn at least how to read the Sanskrit and understand it. So, Sundarji Bhavan Adatu, Buddhiman Shishyeshu Sneham Karoti, in English or Hindi.
Yeah, so a clever person loves his shishyas.
Has love in his shishya.
Has love in his shishyas.
हाँ.
Yeah. Shishyeshu.
Shishyeshu. And Sandhyaji Vadatu Bhavati, Sa Dhanavan Kanyayam Asaktaha Asti. Or this is little harder. Third one is easier. Aham Karye Lagnaha Asmi. What will this be? In English or in Hindi?
मैं मेरा कार्य लगना है
लगा हुआ हो मैं see aham is I, right? मैं and asmi who. So when we understand aham asmi, I am, karye saptami vibhakti, in karya lagnaha, लगा हुआ हूँ, मैं ये करते रहता हूँ वैसे. हाँ, अहम कार्य लग्नः अस्मि. सो मैं ये कार्य में लगा हुआ हूँ और मैं ये कार्य में लगा हूँ. हाँ, मैं ये काम करता रहता हूँ. यही मेरे काम है, ये करता रहूंगा वैसे. आई एम सपोज्ड आई विल बी स्टक इन दिस, लगा हुआ हूँ, लग्नः.
ओके.
You will get it easily now the more we go. Saha Dhanavan, I will do this. Saha Dhanavan Kanyayam Asakta Asti. So Sa Dhanavan, we can read as Saha Dhanavan. If it were a vowel starting word, the Saha Visarga would have stayed. Since it is consonant, Sa Dhanavan Kanyayam Asakta Asti. So this rich person is attached to his daughter. Kanyayam is ekavachanamati, that girl. Kanyayam is saptami ekavachana. So this person, that rich person, is attached to the girl. In Kanya you can take daughter. So this rich person is attached to his daughter, Kanyaya. So that girl. Kanyasu would be Bahuvachana. हाँ, सुंदर जी वदतु भवान्. सेनापतिः शत्रौ बाणं क्षिपति मुञ्चति वा.
So the soldier throws his arrow on his enemies.
On his enemy. Shatruhu, Shatru, Shatravah. Shatrau is only singular, I think.
Shatrau on his enemy.
On his enemy. On the enemy, Shatrau.
Yeah, Shatrau.
Ekavachana. Okay. Sandhya ji, you heard that, right?
It's not that clear.
Okay, I'll say Senapatihi Shatrau Banam Kshipati. So Senapatihi soldier, Shatrau is like Guru Shabda. Guru, Guravaha. Like that, Saptami Ekavachanam would be Shatrau. So on the enemy, Shatru. On the enemy. Banaha arrow. Kshipati throw. So this person, the soldier, threw the arrow on the enemy.
Okay.
हाँ, भवती एव, भवती वदतु संध्याजी. मम भगवती श्रद्धा विश्वासः च स्तः.
मुझे भगवान पर श्रद्धा विश्वास है.
See how simple it is. Now because for 15 sessions, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we have been trying the difficult one, Hindi to Sanskrit, English to Sanskrit. Now when we read the Sanskrit, it is so simple for us.
See, when we
Yeah.
say mujhe is chaturthi, right?
Mama, mere. Okay, but in Hindi, when we say it like that, we say mujhe.
Or is it better to say in me there is, so Mai Bhagavate, in me there is a lot of Shraddha for Bhagavan. Like
You
that.
can, but here they want to say that this Shraddha is mine. It is not in me.
In-
They want to say the trust is mine. I have this trust and I am putting this trust, which is why they said me, Mama. But what you say is not wrong, because we are reading Saptami Vibhakti.
Yeah.
It is not wrong to say my, like how we said my, that sneham something
Yeah,
came, right?
Yeah, correct.
Tasya mai sneha asti. Sorry. Tasya mahi sneha asti. He has got sneha in me.
Correct.
Here, Mama, I am the subject.
Correct.
So, Mama,
So Mama.
I have this.
So Mama here is
Shashti Vibhakti.
Shashti Vibhakti.
I have.
I-
I am the owner of that trust, Vishwasa, Shraddha, etc. Mama Bhagavati. Bhagavati Shabda is Saptami.
Mm.
हाँ. भवान कुतः आगच्छति? आप कहाँ से आ रहे हो? कुतः, फ्रॉम वेयर? श्रीमंतम बुद्धिमंतम च नमता. सुंदर जी वदतु.
So श्रीमान और बुद्धिमान को नमस्कार करो.
हाँ, नमस्कार करो. सम्यक. कस्मिन् लकारः?
लोट.
लोट लकारः. सम्यक. धनवद्भिः श्रीमद्भिः च सह सवसेत्. आई विल से दिस. धनवद्भिः इज तृतीया. पेज 65. तृतीया बहुवचन धनवद्भिः श्रीमद्भिः. सो च सह. I सह वसति. So he lives. सह वसति. कस्य सह? धनवद्भिः. केन सह? धनवद्भिः श्रीमद्भिः च. He lives along with rich person and the Shriman.
Prominent.
Prominent person, important person. He lives along with them. Savaset. Bhavate namaha. Sandhya ji bhavati vadatu. Bhavate namaha.
आपको नमस्कार.
बस, so simple. एतत् तस्य भवति एव. संध्या जी, until you make mistake, भवति एव. एतत् तस्य श्रीमतः गृहम् अस्ति.
See,
एतत् ये श्रीमान घर पे है.
गृहम् अस्ति. गृहम्.
घर में है.
गृहम्.
थे गृहम.
Griham Shabda is there. Okay. Griham Shabda is which vibhakti? Griham is in page, which page that is? Page number 71. Griha. संध्या.
प्रथम विभक्ति.
प्रथमा विभक्ति.
द्वितीय.
दोनों correct. Both pratama and dvitiya is griham. So here the context is etat tasya shrimatah griham asti. So griham is prathama because they are talking about that griham, right?
Okay.
So this griham is shrimatah of the important person. Tasya shrimatah. Tasya and shrimatah are both shashti of. So this house is that person's. This person's house is that. This is that person's house.
Okay.
Etat gruham.
Okay.
If you want to say saptami, right? Saptami vibhakti of any napumsakalinga pullinga shabdas like this. Rama, griha, pustaka, Ishvara. Everything will always end in A. Rame, Ishware, Pustake, Grihe. Everything is Grame. Pullinga and Napumsakalinga Shabdas, Akaranta will always end in A when it comes to Saptami Vibhakti. So with that itself, we can understand different lines. Sundarji Vadatu Bhavan, Bhagavati Vishwasam Shraddhasam cha Kuruta.
In Bhagavan, Vishwasa and Shraddha.
बहु सम्यक् भवानेव बुद्धिमत्सु I will say for online Bhagavati Vishwasam Shraddha च कुरुत in Bhagavan have Vishwasa and Shraddha, belief and faith and trust or whatever. बुद्धिमत्सु विद्या धनवत्सु धनम बलवत्सु बलम च भवन्ति.
बुद्धिमान को विद्या,
हाँ,
धनवान को धन,
हाँ,
बलवान को बल,
हाँ,
मिलेगा,
हाँ.
रहता है,
Good try.
होता है.
This is all Saptami though.
So all this is all Saptami. Correct. Bhagavatsu, okay, is Saptami. Sorry, Buddhimatsu, Dhanavatsu, Balavatsu.
May Vidya.
हाँ. So Buddhivan में विद्या होगा भवंती. Bhavati is, it will be there, Bhavanti, because it is Bahuvachana. So you are correct, except the last bit is correct, होगा. But it will not be ko, it will be may. So इसमें ये रहेगा, उसमें रे रहेगा. Like that. If it were isko, they would have used Dvitiya Vibhakti. They would have said हाँ Bhagavantam, right? So Buddhivantam, Buddhimantam, Balavantam and Dhanavantam, etc. Okay, we will move on. गुरु शिष्य पर स्नेह करता है. सो सुंदर जी भवान वदतु. गुरु शिष्य पर स्नेह करता है संस्कृत.
So this will be Guruhu Shishyeshu Sneham Karoti. Shishyeshu. Guru Shishya par, not Shishyom par. So it will be Guru Shishye. Shishye Sneham Karoti.
शिष्ये गुरुः स्नेहं करोति. करोति because it is कस्मिन् लकार लट् लकार. शिष्ये स्नेहं करोति. हाँ. संध्या जी वदतु भवान. रमा तीसरी तृतीया. राम रमा पर आसक्त है. भवती वदतु.
राम रमाय आसक्ति अस्ति.
Why रमाय? Which vibhakti would you use? No, everything else is correct. Only that Rama. Why Ramaya? Ramaha. Why Ramaya asaktaha asti? He has attachment in. When we make a Hindi translation, it may be.
Straightening well.
Huh?
I mean.
Ramaha.
Rami.
Ramayam.
Ramayam, okay.
Ramayam. Why Ramayam?
Ramayam.
See.
Which
vibhakti?
Ramayam. Chaturthi. Rama. No.
You are seeing Rama or Rama?
I'm seeing Rama word now.
Page number?
I have written this Rama word.
Okay. Very nice. Wonderful. Rama word, Saptami Vibhakti is what?
Ramayam.
This Ramaha Ramayam came in the Udaharan Vakya also. You see page number 34, Niyama 49. Okay. Page 34, Niyama 49. Last 49. Line. That Prema Asakti or others.
Ramayam Asakti asti, right?
Ramaha Ramayam Asakti asti. Rama has attachment in Rama. Okay, we'll skip some because they are all similar only. शिष्यों में आदर है, पढ़ाई में लगा है, निपुण और चतुर है, खेल में कुशल है. Everything is similar. Everything you just put सप्तमी भक्ति and then the अव्यय शब्द है. खेले, क्रीडे, कुशलः, etc. दुर्जने बाणः क्षिपति. The eighth one. राजा दुर्जन पर बाण फेंकता है. नृपः दुर्जने बाणम क्षिपति. Everything will be the same, you know, it will just be similar words. Kha we will see.
And before that, Mera Satya or Dharam or Vishwas.
Okay.
So that Mera will be Mama, Mahyam.
Mama. Mera is mine.
Mine, yeah, so mine.
Of me.
Okay.
Mama Satyam.
Mama Satye Vishwasah va Shraddha Asmi.
सत्ये धर्मे च. मेरा सत्य और धर्म पर विश्वास है.
So Satye Dharme Cha Vishwasah Asmi. अस्ति विश्वासः अस्ति. Or you can say Vishwasimi. This is given, right? In the last bit of 51, they have given Saha, Sa, Mama Vachane, Vishwasiti. Yeah.
So Vishwasimi.
Vishwasimi, that is possible.
But Vishwasaha Asti is better. Vishwasiti, Vishwasimi, all these are messy words. So Vishwasaha Asti. Okay. भगवान को नमस्कार करो. संध्या जी वदतु भवती. भगवान को नमस्कार करो. Number 13. हाँ.
Bhagwan, which vibhakti?
भगवान को. So if you get ko, it will be ko. See that page number 8 table.
Page number?
8. 8, right? 8. 8, page 8, the table is there. Vibhakti, Karaka, Karaka Chinha. Okay, you find page 8. सुंदर जी वदतु भगवान, आप क्या पढ़ते हैं?
That is
Chaturdash.
14. Yeah. So Bhavan Kim पढ़ते हैं. So Kim Patati.
Why Patati?
Patati no. पढ़ते हैं. So Kim Pate.
No.
What are you reading?
No, Patati is correct, but why Patati?
So Bhavan, because it goes with the karta, no, that the verb ending. That dhatu.
No, but why not Patasi? Because Bhavan is second person.
Bhavan can also be first person. I mean, can also be.
Bhavan must be first person. When you say Bhavan, you have to use Prathama Purusha.
You have to use Prathama Purusha. What would you use for Madhyama Purusha?
Tvam. You're correct.
Yeah,
I just wanted to know the reason.
It's a good point. No, these are the fine things.
Sandhya ji bhavati vadatu. Just what is that? Trayodasha. Ko iti karaka chinha kasmin vibhaktya saha asti.
Past, right?
No, in page number 8. You got page 8?
Page number 8, yeah.
That you saw that table, that vibhakti karaka chinna table.
Your voice is a bit low.
Okay. Page number 8, that is one table, right? Vibhakti karaka chinna.
Dvitiya, karma.
Correct, wonderful. Dvitiya. So Bhagavan ko will be which vibhakti?
Dvitiya.
Bas.
Right?
Yes. When you see ko, always it is Dvitiya. You see ko anywhere, it will be Dvitiya only.
I have to remember this.
Bhagavan Shabda is page number 65.
65.
भगवान को नमस्कार करो. So it will be
भगवंतम.
Correct. भगवंतम. फिर नमस्कार करो.
नमस्कारम कुर्वन्ति.
Why kurvanti?
Kurva.
Wait. Which lakara is this?
instruction.
Lakara, kasmin lakara?
Instruction, lot lakara.
Lot lakara. And they are talking to somebody, right? Karo means which purusha?
Karo, Pratama, Dvitiya.
No, is it Pratama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha or Uttama Purusha? Which Purusha?
Uttama. Karo, Devi, Aham. Madhyama Purusha.
Samyak. Madhyama Purusha, correct. This is only one person, we'll say, okay? Karo, they are talking to one person. So, lot lakara, kri dhatu, Madhyama Purusha, ekavachana. Will be? This is page number what? 81, okay? Which page? 83.
Bhagwantam Namaskara.
Namaskaraha.
Karo, 1 second. Madhyama Purusha. Karutaha.
Kri dhatu, lot lakara, Madhyama Purusha. Before we see this, when they say karo, right? Karo is an extra word that they are adding in Hindi. There is a dhatu already. Namaskara is the dhatu. So it will be nama. Bhagavantam nama. Like how we say vada. Satyam vada. We say, right? Satyam vada. Speak truth. Dharmam chara. Do dharma. Like that. Bhagavantam nama. It is little confusing, but I hope you are following. If you have a question, you can ask.
1 second. Yeah.
This is okay?
Can you repeat just complete that word once?
Okay. Nama. Bhagavantam nama.
Bhagavantam
nama.
Namaha.
Nama. Nama. This is on page 86 if you want. They are
Nama.
given nama. That's all. Bhagavantam nama. Just do namaskara. Because namaskara itself is a dhatu.
Okay. Nama.
Or you can say namaskaram kuru. Like how Bhagavan says many times in Gita to Arjuna. This you do kurushvam. Tat kurushvam adarpana. Tat kuru. You do that. So Bhagavantam namaskaram kuru or Bhagavantam nama. Both are correct. Okay.
The 15th one.
15th one. Aditya Bhavan.
Yeah, 15th one. Bhavan Samipe Patane Agachami.
Bhavan आपके षष्ठी.
Bhavan, हाँ.
षष्ठी आपके. So this will be
आपके पास. So it will be Shashti. No, it's yours. So no, आपके लिए.
You can say, since it is Bhavan Shabda, Bhavan, Bhavanto, Bhavantaha, ideally it would be Bhavataha, right? Bhavataha Samipe. But this Samipe Shabda, as we have seen before, can go with all kinds of vibhaktis. It can go with Patmatritiya, Pachvanchami. So Bhavan is okay. Bhavan Samipe na? Samipe. Bhavan Samipe. आपके पास?
पठने
हाँ.
आगच्छामि.
और पठनस्य कृते. और पठने
आगच्छामि.
पठने आगच्छामि और पठनस्य कृते is better sounding. पठने आगच्छामि is also correct.
I have come to. मैं आपके पास पढ़ने के लिए आया हूँ.
जैसे आया हूँ. फिर आगतः. Like how we saw रामः आगतः, सीता आगतः, आगतः. तो भवान समीपे अहम आगतः पठनस्य कृते. पठने आगतः. And ideally it would be आगतः because they said रामः गते सीता आगतः. Agata is enough. If you want, you can say Agata asmi. I have come. I have come. But this is, when we start this the next one, lung lakara and all, it'll be easier. There is a shortcut to this agataha. I have come, but for now they have asked us to do this. Okay. Everything else is easy. Shriman ko namaskar, Shrimataha nama. Like how Bhagavan ko namaskar, Bhagavantam nama, Shrimantam nama. उस बुद्धिमान को ये पुस्तक दो. उस बुद्धिमान को सुंदर जी वदतु भवान वदतु. उस बुद्धिमान
Bhavan buddhimantam.
Why Bhavan?
No, but us, so tam. Tam.
Tam.
That's what I wrote here actually. Tam buddhimantam. Etani pustakani yacha.
Tam buddhimantam etani pustakani yacha. उस बुद्धिमान को tam buddhiman, that is okay, but here they have given some niyama. They have said you use shashti vibhakti. When we saw that shashti, they had said you use shashti if you are giving to somebody because it is their book. So you can say tam buddhimanta tam what is this buddhimantam tam buddhimantam pustakam yacha. This is correct. Or you can say tasya buddhimataha pustakani kya pustakani yacha, because they are given pustake pustakani yacha ye pustakani, so etani pustakani yacha. There are different ways, but in bhashya and all they will use dvitiya more often, because tam shabda is very often. Tam is like te, it is super versatile. So this shabda grammatically is tasya, I think, because we have to see there is a niyama there somewhere on the shashti vibhakti, but tam is correct. Tam is not wrong. Okay. Sandhya ji, antima. बलवान बालक की रक्षा करता है. बलवान बालक की रक्षा करता है. बलवान which vibhakti? Sandhya ji, vadatu.
Sorry, I missed one.
No problem. Balavan?
Yeah, I can't relate.
Okay. Balavan is Prathama because, okay, you can translate to English or Hindi. Balavan balak ki raksha karta hai. This person is doing protection of boy. This person is protecting the boy. Ye Balavan balak ko raksha, balak ki raksha karta hai. So this is Prathama. Balavan, Bhagavan, Dhanavan, Buddhiman, Balavan. Balavan is Prathama. Balavan, Balakam. Why? Because Balakam, Balaki, Dvitiya vibhakti. Balakam. Raksha karta hai, Rakshati. Balavan, Balakam, Rakshati. I would suggest going through only Saptami, because otherwise you are okay. Shashti, till Shashti you are more or less okay. Last week also you are okay. Panchami, Chaturthi, etc. Saptami, just one time, go through again.
Would it be right to say Balakasya Rakshati?
Balakasya Rakshati is also correct. Yes, or protection of the Balaka.
Of the Balaka.
Or of the Balaka. In fact, grammatically, Balakasya is better. Like how we said Tasya, whatever is better. Grammatically, it is better, but other Arsha Prayoga. Usually we use Balakam is doing protection of that. Balakasya Rakshati, Balakam Rakshati. Like how Vidyam cha yastad vedo bhayagum saha ishavasya avidyayam mrityum tirtva vridyayam mritam ashmite. There they have used Vidyam, they have not used Vidyayam.
Correct, they use Vidya.
So
Veda is Strilinga, Pullinga.
Veda is Pullinga.
Veda is Pullinga.
Veda is Pullinga. Veda is Pullinga. Akaranta like Rama.
Yeah, like Rama.
Vedeshtu sarve.
Yeah.
Bhagavan says, right? Vedeshu sarve. Vedantakrit Veda Videva Chaham Sarvasya Chaham Hridhi Sannivishto Mattasmriti Jnanam Apohanancha वेदेषु सर्वे
something, yeah, it will come.
15.15 वेदैश्च वेदैहि
Vedahi.
in Veda,
In
that
Veda.
is Pulinga Bahuvachanam, Saptami Bahuvachanam. In all the Vedas, Vedaihi, Vedaischa Sarvai Ahameva Vedo. Like how Ramaihi,
Ramahi,
right?
correct, Vedahi.
Same. So Veda is. This will come later. Okay. Ashuddha to Shuddha. गुरुः शिष्यं स्नेहं करोति गुरुः शिष्ये स्नेहं करोति सप्तमी विभक्ति इज नीडेड राजा दुर्जनं बाणं क्षिपति राजा दुर्जने बाणं क्षिपति श्रीमान् नमः श्रीमते नमः तस्य धनवानस्य गृहं तस्य धनवतः गृहं बिकॉज तस्य धनवान शब्द देयर इज नो धनवानस्य धनवान शब्द षष्ठी इज नॉट धनवानस्य धनवतः तो तस्य धनवतः गृहम् अस्ति दो क को बहुवचन में बदलो सुंदर जी वदतु भवान ख भगवान को नमस्कार करो और यू डू दिस सेकंड वन आप क्या पढ़ते हैं
Okay, so आप सब, so
हाँ
आप बहुवचनम आप सब, so that one I forgot. Bhavan, that what is the bahuvachanam?
भवन्तौ भवन्तः भवन्तः
Correct.
किम
Yeah, okay. Bhavantah kim patanti. पढ़ते हैं.
पठन्ति
पठन्ति.
सम्यक्
किम पठन्ति.
भवन्तः किं पठन्ति देन संध्या जी लास्ट अंतिम श्रीमान को नमस्कार दे हैव गिवन अस श्रीमते नमः ओके श्रीमते नमः बहुवचने किम भवति श्रीमते इति कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्य बहुवचन किम् अस्ति संध्या जी वदतु
Sorry, I was on mute. Bahuvachana, it will be Srimatah.
श्रीमते इज चतुर्थी
Chaturthi. Okay. Srimatabhya.
श्रीमद्भ्यः हाँ तो श्रीमते नमः श्रीमद्भ्यः नमः श्रीमद्भ्यः श्रीमद्भ्यः नमः स्नेहः वाक्य बनाओ वन स्मॉल वाक्य विल मेक स्नेहः सुंदर जी स्नेहः
पिता पुत्रे स्नेहं करोति.
स्नेहः
We want स्नेहः. So
स्नेहः करोति
स्नेहः करोति. That's it.
but snehaha you can say because sneham he is having love for this so it is better in Dvitiya snehaha shabda something about that snehaha आसक्तः करोति आसक्तं करोति आसंगम करोति वैसे बोल सकते हैं स्नेहा आसंगम न करोति also pure love has no attachment that also
So there is sneha
as a prathama exactly
as subject,
so संध्या जी वदतु भवती क्षिपति इति धात्वे सह वाक्य रचतु क्षिपति दास क्षिपति म्यूट प्रयोगः
Yeah. Where it is exactly that word?
Last word of the second last line on page 35. Acha, before that you had discussed. Tell Kshipati. Vadatu.
Sorry.
Vadatu Kshipati. Kshipati. Das Kshipati. Kshipati means to release, right? To throw. Fenkna.
To throw.
हाँ.
To throw. Pushpam Shripati.
Bahu samyak. Now you had a question on Kushalaha. So you say one line with Kushalaha.
Kushalaha.
Kushala is the word just before.
Aham
हाँ.
Sanskruta Kushalaha.
Good try.
No, I can say it in future.
No, good try. Samskrita bhashayam. Because bhasha is like kanya. We say kanyayam, right? Kanyayam rakshati. So bhashayam kushalaha asmi. Aham kushalosmi. That itself is good enough. Kushalaha asmi. So good. If you left out that Sanskrita, your word is perfect. Your sentence. Ha. You said two. So Sundarji, ek aur. What will we do?
One.
Which one?
Satatam Gurum Adaraha. Is that right?
Satatam Gurum Adaraha Kim Kasya. You have to finish.
Adaraha, the word is there, right?
Adaraha.
Always, do we just say Adara? Adaraha?
Wait though, it depends on what you want to say, right?
Okay.
Context.
So Satatam Guru is as an object, right? Always to the Guru.
So you
have Adar. I mean,
so if you say have Adara,
yeah.
you should say Adara, because Adara is Avyaya Shabda. It will not decline.
Decline, yeah.
Adaraha Kuru or Adaraha Adarena Saha Bhava. Something like that.
Like that. You can add something after that.
Yes. Or you can say what they have used one word, right? In the example, they have used a sentence for Adaraha. They have said Mama Gurava Adaraha Asti. So you have to say that.
Yes.
Satatam Gurava Adaraha Asti. There is always respect to the Guru.
Yeah.
You can say that.
Kuru is nicer, I think.
Kuru will say you do this.
Yeah,
Adaraha Kuru.
You should will go into Vidiling.
Yeah, you should will go to Vidiling. This is Lot. Kuru is Lot.
So therefore, then you have to say Karot.
No, Kuru only.
Kuru, but in Vidiling?
In Vidiling, Bhaved, Bhavayam, Bhavayuhu, Bhavehe, right? Kurvehe, it will be. But why do you need Vidiling now?
Huh?
You don't need Vidiling.
No,
Lot
because
itself
you
is
should. I was thinking that you do.
Kurvehe, I think, would be Bhaved, Bhavayam, Bhavayuhu, Bhavayam, Bhave.
That's right.
No, what is that? Bhaved, Bhavayam, Bhavayuhu, then Bhavehe, right?
Yeah. No, Bhavehe, no.
Bhavehe, correct.
Yeah, Bhavehe, correct.
So, Kurvehe.
Kurvehe.
That Kuru is much better. Much better. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi 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 Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakrito Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shantihi 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 Om. Okay.